In this video, we're going to go over the multitone stimulus. The multitone is multiple sine tones played simultaneously with equal amplitude but random phase. Frequency rounding ensures there will be an FFT line at every frequency. As opposed to a sweep, all frequencies occur at the same time. This allows the stimulus to be very short. One drawback, though, is it's virtually impossible to examine individual harmonics of the stimulus frequencies. Here is the multitone stimulus editor. Here we can set a resolution, either using an isoband or user-defined. This is the integer number of tones played with this resolution in this frequency range. If we increase or decrease the frequency range of resolution, this number will change. Tones can also be manually edited when you select user-defined. The duration is the length of the multitone. This frequency rounding value must match what's in your analysis step.